Yeah, you see them. We got that Whal Legend, the new version. To show you guys what this thing look like. This part is always difficult, so stand by. All right, I got it out that box. It's always tough getting it out, but especially when you got one hand. But we got the beautiful Crunch Blade technology Whal Legend. I already went in it, so that's why you see the comb and all that guards out. But I'm gonna just show you what it comes with. Comes with a full set of guards. Man, it goes all the way up to look like 8, but it's a plethora of guards in there. Got the comb. I use this type comb to this day from getting other Wahl products. We got more guards, the smaller guard system, the half guard, 1.5. Cleaning brush and oil. And then we have the magnificent beauty. She is the Whal Legend. Take this off. You want to keep that on most of the time. Make sure your blades are good. And look at those blades, man. Those are wider blades than most clippers come with. So it's supposed to be able to go through coarse hair better. And another thing with this clipper is it's supposed to be extend all the way out farther than most clippers. And as you can see, that is pretty far. They say it's supposed to be a number one guard. And that definitely looks like it. I've already zero gapped this clipper. As you can see, damn good. So we're gonna be testing this bad boy out, and I will be showing you guys a video of me fading, cutting, debulking, all that with this clipper. But this is the Whal Legend in full effect. It feels really good. It's actually not that heavy. It looks heavy, but it's plastic case, so you don't have to worry about it getting hot on your fingers. V9000 motor in it. Very powerful clipper. I'm gonna let you guys see how it sounds real quick. That's it. Man, you can feel the power in this clipper, man. That's why I love Wahl, man. When you hammering away in the barbershop and you got 4, 5, 6, 7 heads waiting for you, you want to be able to take the hair off without repeating the strokes. So this clipper, I'm looking forward to getting my hands on these when I'm busy in the shop. But stay tuned. I'll have video coming showing how these clippers cut, how they fade, all that good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's EB Cutting, and I'm out.